Hey, I'm back and I have coffee. I found my old iced coffee. They started making it again. It was they didn't make it for like 6 months. And I'm so happy to have it back. So happy. So I've been enjoying 2 bottles of my favorite iced coffee, even though it's ridiculous because I can make it in the machine. But this tastes better and it's easier. And I have ice. I'm home again from my travels, and you can get ice in the US. And at my daughter's house, I did buy a bag of ice. So I had ice there. It just wasn't my ice. And then at my cousin's house, she lives in an assisted living facility where there can be guests. And so I stayed with her friends, the crew at the assisted living facility. It's not really assisted. It's like you have an apartment here and we feed you meals and you've got stuff to do. But they have an ice machine in the cafeteria, so I could make use of her ice. However, now I'm home and I'm back to my beautiful extruded ice and my projects that I just left at home. So I'm going to show you progress on my bulky yarn or my chunky yarn sweater that has not been touched since I left the UK. I didn't even take it on the plane because I had a presentation to prep for Friday right after I got home. So I purposefully put my knitting in the checked bag so that I would focus on what I needed to focus on and had no other choices for avoidance. And then I'll show you what I got at the Busy Bee Patchwork store that's at Tredegar House in Newport. I'll show you those projects and then we'll wrap it up. And I got a couple more videos to stack up. Kelly wants me to do the how to read crochet instructions. So I'm going to do that one for you and compare old and modern instructions. And can't remember if there was something else. Anyway, yeah, that's today. Some videos. I'm going to get some videos ready and uploaded and then go out and do yard work, which I'll also video for you as well. In the meantime, here's the sweater. All right, here is my project. You're on my dining room table without a tablecloth. But here is my chunky sweater progress. I've divided for the sleeves. I'm into the body, about halfway down. And when I left the UK, what you didn't see is I purled back. I put this down halfway around a row and just dropped it and threw it in the suitcase. So here we go. I've got about, I don't know, a third of a ball of yarn left. And then I'm going to have to go pull out a couple more. I'm at least going to need probably 1, if not 2, for the sleeves. And I do like my sweaters not cropped. So this has got a ways to go for length. And again, I am using the Top Down Sweaters book by Ann Budd as my guide. But of course, designing my own sweater, which is what's awesome about that book. I will document this. This will become a pattern. But it's just a single cable down the side. Now, what did I find at the Busy Bees Patchwork Textile Art Studio? A couple of embroidery kits. Chamomile, which is a cute little design. I don't know that I'll frame mine round. I'll have to pull it out and I'll show you what comes in the kits. And then I got what is this one called? Boy, they didn't say. Oh, cow parsley. And these are both wildflowers that grow in the fields around Newport, or where David's mother lives in Wales. They grow around the UK, full stop, really. And they come in this little box, and it was 10 pounds, which I think is pretty reasonable. Heck, probably the box cost almost that. It comes with instructions. Let's see what we have for instructions. Let's see how they set their kits together. Comes with a drawing of the, so I could trace that. That's full size. It comes with a photo of the finished embroidery, but no stitches. They expect me to be able to look at this, and honestly, this is my favorite. So it looks like a chain stitch, an outline stitch, French knots, and just some straight stitches. Oh, sorry, guys. Some straight stitches. So chain stitch up in here, outline stitch down here, French knots, and just some straight stitches on the blooms. I think I can do that a little tidier, but. And it comes with UK produced linen, it says on the back. They just drew it on. There's the design. It's a nice square, so I can mat and frame this as I think I would prefer. It came with a needle, a chenille needle on a piece of felt. Oh, more instructions. Oh, there, look. Oh, what a good little kit. Look, it tells me what my supplies are. It tells me how many threads to use. Ooh, it says 3. I'm not sure I'll do that. Discussion of the stitches I need. Here, I seem to be zoomed in. Here, there. And discussion of the stitches. Another diagram. And then it comes with the thread, not full skein, which I kind of like, actually. 2 different greens and a white, all in this nice little box with cute labeling. So, cute little kits. I like them. I think they're clever. Here's the other one. And this one's written up a little bit differently, so I don't know if somebody else wrote it or not. But somebody knows how to use their text editing or their graphics software, unlike me. There. And then again, the linen. And I think this must be a reversed iron-on transfer or something, that you can draw on. That's what it looks like to me. And then the needle and the thread. And then this thread, do you notice that it matches my decor, the nice greens and yellows and oranges? 2 greens, a white, and a yellow for the chamomile. So yeah, I'll be doing these soon, very soon. Actually, if I can find them on the web, I will, because they're a very small business in the UK, and they may mail. I will be going back in September for sure, if not sooner. So if any of you are interested in these, I probably could be induced to, with no profit to me, just bring them back for you and get them sent out at cost, whatever it would cost me. It's £10 for the kit, and whatever the postage would be to mail to you, I will totally do that for you and help push some business to a struggling little quilt shop in Newport, because they need all the help they can get. I had a chat with her because she'd been ill last year, and we sort of lamented over COVID and how difficult it was. So you got to help out your friends, and this is another small business we can help, and that's why I bought these things. But also I liked them because they were cute. Anyway, yeah, that's today for me. I have just gotten up, started my coffee, looked over these little projects, and assessing what's going to go forward. I got to work on the sweater some more because I really like it and I want it. If we go somewhere, I want to be able to wear it, right? I need to have a little warm sweater. Yard work. Boy, you'll see that video coming up. The yard's a mess. You're not seeing it at its worst. You're seeing it after we tried to attack it for 2 days. 3 days. So I will see you, let's see, today's Wednesday. I'll see you Wednesday. It's Wednesday and Saturday, or Wednesday and Sunday is when you're supposed to get this, and it's already Monday. So I'll see you soon. There will be more videos uploaded. House ones, yard ones, stash ones, whatever. Oh, and if you haven't found the YouTube channel that I've got going on over at the other place, I'm doing a little YouTube channel called Unfinished Objects. I just took a break. But if you have a stash of unfinished objects and you would like to, have some gumption to start working on those objects, what I am encouraging people to do is to watch my videos and my saga of unfinished objects, but also that you share your unfinished objects with me. Send photos, send little text about what it is and why it's in timeout, and then send me progress when you get something done or when you're working on something. That way, it's our channel, not my channel. But I can tell you already that it's helped me make progress in my vast pile of unfinished things. Even if it's just rip it out, you've made a decision. All right, I will, and I'll put that link below as well. So I'll see you in a few days. What is today? I see it's Monday. Oh, I'll see you Wednesday. If you haven't already subscribed to the channel, do. Give it a thumbs up. Leave me a comment. Let me know how things are going. Do you like these embroidery kits? Do you like supporting small businesses in foreign areas or anywhere? And ring the bell so that you know when the next video comes up. Kelly and I upload 4 times a week if we can, and with gaps, clearly. But there's plenty to watch. And it's basically, we are trying to give you a YouTube channel with our creative lives. Cooking. I have home fixes. Gardening. Both of us do gardening. Kelly sometimes gives us an update on her chickens and ducks. What else do we have? Embroidery, crochet, tatting, Soon to be bobbin lace. I do bobbin lace, but I haven't been confident enough to do it on video yet. Sewing rooms, cleaning up, you name it, we cover it. So it's just like your home friends channel, your girlfriends getting together. So I'll see you. Bye.